The gig economy refers to a labor market characterized by short-term contracts and freelance work, as opposed to permanent jobs. Instead of working for one employer on a fixed salary, gig workers take on individual jobs or projects, called gigs, for different clients. Examples of gig economy jobs include driving for Uber, delivering food for platforms like DoorDash or Glovo, designing websites as a freelancer, or selling handmade products online. The gig economy has grown enormously in recent years, driven by the rise of digital platforms that connect workers with customers quickly and efficiently. For many people, gig work offers attractive advantages. It provides flexibility. You can choose when and where you work. It also allows people to have multiple sources of income and develop a variety of skills working on different projects. However, gig work also has significant disadvantages. Gig workers are usually not entitled to the same benefits as regular employees, such as paid vacation, sick leave, or pension contributions. Their income is often irregular and unpredictable, which makes it difficult to plan for the future or apply for a mortgage. Many gig workers also feel isolated because they do not have colleagues or a fixed workplace. The rise of the gig economy has raised important questions about workers' rights and the future of work. Some governments are beginning to introduce new laws to protect gig workers and ensure they receive fair pay and basic benefits. However, finding the right balance between flexibility and protection remains a significant challenge for societies around the world.